Hello everyone, Nick here from Cloud Coach. Thanks for joining us this week as we take a look at how you can group your projects together. So we're here in our Salesforce org. I'm going to navigate to our Projects tab right here. This is going to take me to my cross-project Gantt view. The great thing about the cross-project Gantt view is it allows you to group your Salesforce Cloud Coach projects by using Salesforce list views. So we're here on My Projects right here. If I click this table view, this is going to show us that what we're looking at here is just a typical Salesforce list view. I can go back to the Gantt by clicking right there on my Show Gantt, and by using Salesforce list views, I can create whatever kind of criteria I want to group my projects together. So right here you can see you can navigate between whatever kind of list views you set up, and we give you this list view control option. So if I go to edit right here, this allows me to go in and I can say, okay, what do I want to see? In this case, I want to see my projects. And now I can set up my criteria. I can create these fields and say I only want to see my projects where project template equals false. So now I'm not going to look at any of my projects that are templates there. I could set up things and say maybe I only care about seeing project names that contain Acme, for example. You can make those kind of changes right there. You can save it. And what that's going to do is it creates that filtering criteria. So now I'm only going to pull back my projects that are projects that I have created, that I own, that aren't templates, that contain Acme in it. And I can easily switch between them just by going right here and switching to something, for example, like strategic projects. You can create filters to group these by accounts. You could group these by name like we saw before. You can group them by field criteria like calculated start date or budget. And it's just that easy by using the cross-project Gantt view combined with Salesforce list views to grab your projects, group them together, and look at only the projects that you're interested in seeing at that moment. So that's it for this week. Thanks for joining us. Make sure to come back next week for another 2-minute video.